Hi everyone, today we show you how to do this effect dissolve and spreading. Okay, let's get started. First of all, we will open a new file. Yeah. First, we will create a box. Oh, make sure to check the unit setup. Set it into centimeter. And a box, we will do the 25 by 25 by 25 segment. And I will open the Tyflow. Okay, open the editor. Firstly, you need to assign the cube into the birth object. Here, pick. Remember to tick the hide after acting. And we will do the phase factor here. Operate on polygons, phase 1 and variation 1. And we need to do the survey test, and property test. At the survey test, we need to create a sphere. This will be the original point to spread the infection. Where's the infection start? Okay, we'll test the survey test when the sphere in the distance of, let's say, 100 centimeter, the test will choose. We pick the sphere here. Okay. Set a time to continuous. And okay. And in the property, when the test correct, it will create a new here. When the survey test correct, it will create a new event. And for the new event happen, we need to group the particle. We click type and then type group, double click in particle group and click one and change it for easier to see. And then in the property test, we need to set it into continuous timing. Property test into neighbor cal. True. The test will true if it greater than 0. Set it into 0. And the most important, we need to click go on in simulation group. Okay. Now you can see here. Let's make it. Yeah. Okay. And we will do the tab, click spin. It will create a spin here. You can see. Yeah. Let's set up the timing for this. Create a timing test. Time test. Property into this and it into this one. Let's set into variation 1 and 5. You can play around with this value. Let's see. You can see it quite It's quite fast. Let's just slow it down. It's not really smart, but yeah, that's we need to change the radius here. Maybe it's into 200. Yeah, it's better. It's better. Yeah. Okay. And we want to do it into 3D shape. So as here we type shape like a shape operator. You can change it into 3D cube. Yeah. And we want to do it like uh where we want it to getting smaller. And we will do it with scale. Type scale. Set it here. And another one will be scale. But at first it will be scale, but the time you will set it into absolute and set it into 0. You can see it disappear. And set this interpolation into this. You can play around with this one to see how it's work. Um, mm, it's not very small. Yeah, but the scale is not working to 0.8. Let's see here, it's 90. I'm into scale. This one, this one, oh, 5. Continuous. Yeah, one timing continuous. Yeah, you can see it looks smoother. And we want it into I want the cube will be spreading out of the square. So we will add the speed here and set the direction into check center L. And we need to pick the cube. But first of all, we'll do the unhide by name. Pick the box and then unhide. We'll pick the cube here. You can see it spreading out of the box. Then, okay, hide again. Okay. Yeah, that's all. Thanks for listening.